So this seems to be the last question from this set of questions. Where to start your journey? If you are interested in Buddhism, where should you start? If you are interested in Buddhism, I think you have to, the study. Study is the starting point, because the more you know, the better. The more you know what is Dharma, what is Buddha, what is Dharma, what is Sangha, what is the most fundamental teachings, why you are practicing Dharma, and what exactly is our problem, what is the, where is to practice, sometimes people say, is this practice better or this better? Is it better to meditate, or better to do this, or better to recite mantras, or better to visualize, or better, or this practice, that practice? It's not about that. It's, the practice is to transform yourself, work on your negative emotions and reactions and habitual tendencies. And that is where the practice is, because that's what are the causes of your suffering, klesha and karma. So the more you understand that clearly, the basics, then you know what Dharma practice is. And then you don't have to ask where to start. You know where to start. You know what is the practice. You know what to do to practice. You can do many different things. You can, doesn't matter wherever you start. But if you know what is the practice, then practice is actually working on your problems, negative emotions, reactions, wrong way of saying things, So therefore, then you see things, you see clearly, and then you know what practice is, and then you have no problem, you have no doubt, you have no, whatever practice, whatever teachings you get, it doesn't matter. It can never, what can you say, confuse you. You can have 100 different teachings. It can never confuse you, because you know how to place these teachings. They all fall into the puzzle. If you don't have this background, then you get confused, because you have received 5 different teachings and you don't know which one to practice. But actually, all these different teachings actually are same in many ways, and they are maybe touching different parts of the things and different methods, but actually into the same way. So therefore, you can of course use one method at one time, or another method, or all together, or whatever. But it's not a problem. But if you don't know that, if you don't know what exactly you are about to practice, what is the real problem, then then it's not good. Then you get confused, because then maybe this is not the right way, maybe this is the way, maybe this wouldn't work, maybe another one, like that. And then it doesn't get anywhere. It doesn't get anywhere. It's not. Sometimes people think that the higher or more profound or more deeper teaching you receive, the better the practice is. It's not like that. It's nothing. The simplest teaching could be the most effective one. Sometimes the most elementary thing could be the most important and most strong effective practice, you know. So this is very important to understand. So you need to study and make clear what is the practice about. Then you have no problem. Thank you.